So if you have started an Etsy shop, you may be in this cycle where you're getting a lot of favorites, but no one is actually checking out with you. And it could be frustrating if you're new because you're like, what's going on? I thought I had a good design. People are liking it, but people are not checking out. What is the problem? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you several things you can do right now to turn those favorites into sales, and how actually these favorites will help you get organic reach if you know what to do to help convert that favorite into a purchase. I'm gonna share that all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos as well as step-by-step guides. So if you want to learn how to create passive income online, then hit subscribe on the button below. Now, if you also want a quick step-by-step guide of launching your first digital product with Etsy, my exact steps of how you can start an Etsy business by going from A to Z and launching your first digital product, all that is for free down in my description box below. Just check out my link to get access to that. So the first thing I would tell anybody if they're getting tons of favorites and no sales, when it comes down to your pricing, are your prices competitive with the other products in your niche? Now, I'm not saying you got to go all the way down and list your products for $1 and the average price of your product is $20 in your niche. However, I am suggesting that you should provide more value to the customer based upon what they're getting. And if you feel like your prices are the same as everyone else's, then add some more things to that listing to increase the value for the customers. And the easy way to do this is to create that one product listing into a bundle listing. You can go in and see other best-selling products in your niche and actually identify, okay, what things are selling well and how can I recreate those designs in my own way, bring a new variant to the marketplace, and then combine those as one solid listing. Therefore, you can still keep your price, but you are more competitive with your price because you are offering more items. Now, what also can help you to turn that favorite into sales is that your price might be outrageously high. And I'm not saying that your value is not worth your price. However, if the average price in your marketplace in that niche is $10 and you're offering a product like everyone else, but your product is $50, then I'm going to tell you right now, your product will not sell most likely. However, again, going back to that number one tip I showed you, bundling more items into one listing, you can actually hold that price of $10 or $40, but you're providing an extreme amount of value for the customer, and therefore you are able to create a space where your price is more competitive because you're able to give more things in one listing. Number 2 point here is to communicate the value of your product in your descriptions, but also in your mock-up images. You want to go and identify 4 major features of why this product stands out from everything else. It might be multiple sizes, it might be multiple colors, it might be the ease of actually using this product in a real world use. You want to identify critical things regarding your product, but also you want to highlight 4 major things that make your product stand out. Most people will not buy from you if they are confused on what your product is. So you want to make sure that you communicate clearly what your product is, how to use it, and how valuable it is for the person who's on the other side. And I want you to make use of the video area Etsy allows you to upload. The goal here is to provide as much clarity to the customer so that they can have confidence to check out with you. The next tip I can give to you is run daily sales. This is something I talk about a lot on this channel because this one little difference can make a major difference in your shop. And so there's several reasons why you want to run daily sales to help convert that favorite into a sale. And the number one thing is this: Etsy gives you a timer at the bottom of your listing. This timer will help increase that sense of urgency to let that shopper know, yes, this product is at a major discount, but this discount will not last forever. Etsy will also add that timer at checkout. That means when that person get the checkout, they see, yep, this is actually a sale that will not last forever. That's a second space of urgency that's being placed upon the shopper. Now, if a shopper adds something to the cart and maybe they went away and haven't went on Etsy for a while, but they jump back on and they have your product still in the cart, Etsy will give them a pop-up letting them know a third time that this deal is not lasting forever. And this is giving you multiple opportunities to communicate to the buyer of your amazing deal. You want to create a sense of urgency for the shopper so that they can see this is a major deal. They can score on right now. They can check out with you right now with this deal. However, they need to do it today. And daily sales will give you this timer So you can actually have all these pop-ups, all these notifications at the end of checkout, have this little timer by your listing on your product page. All these things, all these elements will create that sense of urgency that will help that shopper check out with you. Now, a great place to start your daily percentage sales, I do this, is at 20 to 35%. Usually within the 20 and 35% is where I see, for me in my shop, consistent sales and people checking out with me. And it's actually pretty funny that when I don't run sales, I don't get as many sales for the day. If you want daily sales, you have to run daily sales in your shop. The fourth tip I can give to you is to create a coupon for people who automatically favorite your item. Now with Etsy, they allow you to set this up manually. That can actually be automatic for those who come to your shop. That means every time someone favorite an item, they will be pushed in their message area that they have a coupon for that item that they favorite. This is just that one little space for you to actually connect back with that person who favorites your item. So the way you want to set this up is go to your Etsy dashbar. You want to head over to marketing. You want to head over to sales and discounts. You can automatically send offers to interested shoppers. You can do this for abandoned carts, but in our case, we're going to set this up for those who favorite our items. So I just want to go ahead and hit set this up. And now I can select this if I want it to be a coupon for the abandoned cart. But in our case, I want to do this for favorite items. Again, I can make a discount based upon the percentage, fixed amount off, or free shipping. And I can set the percentage off if I'm doing this here. And I think this is a great place to start. Again, I can set this at 25% off just to get started. And if I want to have a special code for this, I'm going to just have a code now. Save 25. I can create this offer, and now every single time someone favorite my item, they will automatically be sent a coupon code to get whatever discount I set off on the next purchase. The next tip I can give to you is to increase the number of listings that is in your shop. So if people have favored your item, that means they enjoy your design elements. However, they may be looking around for other things that's just like it. And if you don't have multiple listings in your shop, you're not giving people multiple opportunities to check out with you. So those favorites are a great thing. However, you want to provide multiple opportunities for people to check out with you. And the people that actually favorite your item are actually those who will spend time going to your shop and see whether some other items there as well. Again, if you only have limited items, you're only creating limited opportunities for people to actually check out with you. The more meaningful products that you create, that means your SEO is on point, that means your design element is on point, that means your mock-up images are on point. All those essential things actually help your product stand out. If all those things are in line with your product listings, that means every single product you create is another opportunity for somebody to check out with you. And the last tip I can give to you is to identify if the products that are getting favorites are seasonal items. Now, you may have a lot of people who come to your shop and favorite your item, but the item just simply might be out of season and they may be looking for other things like it to purchase. And so you want to jump on this opportunity where people are favoriting a seasonal item, and then you want to take that item and identify, well, what can I change in it to make it fit the season and time we're in now? So take those same designs, elements, the same font, the same style, the same layout. However, create a new product for the season that you are in. Now, the bonus tip I can give to you is do not get upset that you're getting favorites. Favorites actually help you rank more organically for that particular shopper. And that means that that shopper who searched for your item and favored your item, when they come back on Etsy and search up that same search phrase or search up that particular product niche, your particular product will actually rank higher in their search because they interacted with your product. And so favorites over a long period of time will actually turn into sales if you utilize all the tips and strategies I showed you in today's video. So that is the end of today's video, my friends. That was anyway helpful or encouraging. Let me know by hitting a like down below. And if you want a quick step-by-step plan of how you can actually create your first digital product and list it on Etsy, then check out my free training down in my description box below. I teach you exactly the step-by-step process of how to create and launch your first digital product on Etsy so you can start creating passive income online. And so if you want to check out that free training, then check out my link in my description box below. One essential part of creating passive income online with Etsy is doing product research, and product research can actually be the make or break if you get a sale on your item. So if you want to learn how to do product research that will help you generate passive income online with Etsy, then check out this next video here.